Nighttime POV. Yo, I know the streets have been waiting for this one. I know the people them have been waiting for this one. Just straight. What track's playing right now? No Rodway. Yo, what are talking about Rod Wave? Nah, not around here, sonny. How do I get out of this place? How do I get out of it? Yo, people hear this. Man lived in town, in Manchester, sorry, for so long. But every time I come to this town place, yeah, I still don't know how to get about. It's actually pressure trying to... You ever know I ever wrote my man had athletes. Fuck off. Yo, show came in the team beefing. Oh, you know how long it took me to get out of this place, bro? Every 2 minutes as well, man, seen a light, bruv. Flip. Yo. Huh. It's getting dark, fam. Yo, people. Oh no. I'm meant to go left. Yo. Say wagwan, people. Say wagwan. But yo, imagine I'm stopped, guys. Yeah, I took the flipping wrong turn, man. Yeah, let me go to a Tesco that's next to me right now. Let me see if there's a car meet there. Ooh, yo, cars in reverse, blood. I was about to move. Backwards, fam. Leaving it in S right now. I did not think that when I'm shooting this video, guys, that for most of it I'm going to be sat in traffic, because it's actually 10 o'clock. What is actually going on? 10 o'clock. What is going on? I don't understand it. Yeah, the horses still. That's what you can do to people when you got 300 horses, fam. Funny enough, guys, I actually went to this university, yeah? No cap. If it wasn't for lockdown, yeah, I would have smacked uni, bruv. I blame lockdown, man. That's... The car next to me, I know. Should've just looked at my head, bro, seeing the fucking... You can see the GoPro on, innit? People must think, yo, what's going on right now? But yo, this is the come up story. Soon people are gonna want to be on this camera. Ah, oh, I'm in the wrong lane again, guys. Flip, man. Flip. Fuck! Oh, damn it! Ah, oh. What's this guy on, man? I actually hate courses. Oh, this is a police crime zone, fam. Ross. Yo, sorry guys. Sorry, I don't know if you could see what I seen in it, but you know when them police think, oh, that's bad, Freddy. What? Look at the jakes, bruv. Criminals. Wow, is that what's going on? Yeah, but people, I can almost 1000% say there's gonna be no car meet at this Tesco. And the only reason I'm so guaranteed that this Tesco here has got no car meet going on is because it's so close to a police station. You know what I mean? It's actually so close to a police station, but I won't lie, this is the perfect spot for me to just throw some stuff in my car, man. Because, yo, as I'm going about, bro, I can just hear the bottles or jumping around the whip and all that. It's all long, man. It's all long. Hold up. There could be a car meet here, bro. Got a Ford in front of me right now. For Fiesta. Nah, he's not on no car meet stuff. Let me just park my car up here, man. I need to dash this bottle in the boot, bruv. Bottle's annoying me, fam. Yo, people, late nights in the Estrella. It gets pretty dark sometimes. Where's this bottle, fam? Oh, there's 2 bottles, fam. And I got bare AstroTurf on my seats. Oh, yo, you man. This guy had a JD bag on his window, fam. That's crazy. I don't even know if you've seen it, but he had a JD bag. He had a JD bag as his windscreen, blood. It's like, nah, obviously his window's been smashed, innit? I don't know if you've seen it, but that guy's window's been smashed. So he put a JD bag there. That is nuts. That's nuts. Oh yeah, guys. Tesco number 1. Tesco spot number 1. No car meet here. No car meets here. Let me go to the next. Yo, I ain't going over that hump, bro. That's crazy. I'll have to go around that still. Let me get out of here. Salford Tesco, you've disappointed me. Car. He ain't coming home, mama thinking he late. Eye for eye, law. Tooth for tooth. Like chicken noodle soup, hey. You man telling me 10:30 on a Friday night, there's not a single Tesco car meet? Obviously, I've just been to the first Tesco, but this one is obviously right next to a police station. So, ooh, you see them 2 almost crashed, ya? Rasta, you thinking blood?
Shit, you know? Sad fan.
Yo, people, I don't know if you just seen that, but a Fed car just flew past me, yeah? As he was behind me, I looked at the car, innit? It was marked. You know, one of them ones with all the badges and shit all over it, and I just thought to myself, like, yo, at least if they're gonna send the feds after me, send something unmarked and quick. Don't violate my thing. You understand what I'm saying? If I violate my thing, send me one of these marked Peugeots, blood, yo. Banger. You know, Alright, so people, as man was saying, yeah, the Manchester car scene is dead. It's dead. If I keep it 100 with you, it's dead. And I'm gonna have to get some friends and bring this thing back, man, because there should be no way that like us man that like cars, yeah, spending money on cars, yo, you need people to flex the cars to, you know what I mean? It makes sense. The Manchester car scene needs to come back, like somehow, some way. Yo, people, I'm approaching Tesco number 2 right now. This is the one right next to Old Trafford Football Stadium. Yo, what's happening in Tesco's? What's happening here? Telling me the police have just locked off all. Oh, this is a ghost town. Yo, people, I think the feds have just locked off all Tesco's, you know. I think the feds have live-o locked off all these Tesco's. They've literally said to people like, yo, I swear down, I used to just come to Tesco and just see bare people just parked up. I used to be thinking, yo, what's going on? What's going on? There's nothing here, man. It's deader than dead. Dead. Too dead. This place too dead, like ghost town. Wow, people, this is dark. This is dark. Big Tesco's, you know. Big Tesco's, you know. Just finished. It's finished. Incriminating me, fam. Like, when I'm doing 30 miles per hour, ain't no one about to tell me what miles I'm doing, you know what I'm saying? The bare kids are not in Tesco's, man. Look at the time as well, bruv. The kids are busy screaming off, man. Yo. Yeah, Tesco's, blood. Tesco's is dead food anyway. I know the next spot. I know the spot. Like, you people think this is premeditated, pre-planned. I'm gonna go to Trafford Centre right now. Gara car meet there. 100%. 100%. Old Trafford, Tesco's, ghost town. That place, I swear that place was even deader than Salford Tesco's. And Salford Tesco's even right next to a police station. So my only option right now is to go Trafford Centre. If there's no car meet at Trafford Centre, the video's gonna end. It's gonna be 10-minute video. I'm done. Like, how can there be no car meets? It's a Saturday night. What are you doing? Going out to the club, getting drunk, spending money, don't make no. I'm moving. Oh, can't incriminate myself. Can't incriminate myself on the channel. That would have been crazy. That would have been crazy, because you know the alter ego is saying, yo, bust that. I say, oh. Yo, Trafford Centre. This is the spot. I know right now, golfers, everything is there. I know it's going off. It's Gara. If there's nothing here today, yeah, maybe it's just me, man. If not this car park, we'll go to the next car park. I know there's something going on in this car park, because there always is, bro. Every single time. It's a guarantee. Yo! Hi people, bare caravans here, you know. What's going on? Hi people, the couple, 1, 2 caravans here, you know. Yo, people, so obviously I just decided to come on a late night drive, and now I'm starting to firm it. Yo, the car scene in the UK is dead. It's honestly dead. Like, there's nothing for car guys to do. Like, now I understand why people just be getting tickets, because there's nothing else for them to do. How is this roundabout? This roundabout's even crazy. But yeah, this is why car guys be getting tickets, because there's actually nothing for us to do. All you can do is actually make your car faster and use it during the day, because at night there's no car meets, there's nothing. It's just dead. The UK is dead. Like, man's actually been outside now for about, I've been driving around for like a good hour. I'd say about a good hour. And the fastest thing I've seen on the road tonight is a fucking Tesla, bruv. Everyone's outside drinking, getting drunk. Like, oh, wait. Yes! Oh, guys, I switched from Tesco's to Asda. And there's something there, but that something there is looking very expensive. Very expensive. Let me just drive past them on a G thing, on some a couple cars over here at the back still, won't lie. Let me see. But they don't look like, these guys just look like they're just doing party drugs in the whips and that, man. Just, you know what I'm saying? there's something going on here, but this is a recovery thing. Oh, guys, what did I tell you? Asda never disappoints. Car meet, but these guys' cars ain't moving, bro. No one's moving. This is looking like some private club, bruv. A-class there. But this is looking all private, man. This is, oh, yo, look at that Toyota. Look at that Toyota. Bagged, boys. That's bad. Now, even here, man, these guys are moving all like stush, man. Yeah, this is dead. I need some pops and bang somewhere, man. And these people are moving. Oh, should have let a lady pass, fam. Yeah, this is all dead, man. Boys, I did it. I knew there'd be a car meet somewhere, but this is not the car meet that I was on about. Like, that one was stiff. Like, you know when you just see stush people, like they stood by some, like, that car, that Toyota Supra thing, that thing looking expensive, boy. I just say, oh, I'm not even trying to bother them people, ain't let them do their own thing, man. You know, yeah, man, this is stiff, man. Asda, telling me of all places with a car meet, it was Asda. Even the car meet was stiff, though. Like, people, yo, man's driving past them in a whip, they're all looking, deeking me. I'm thinking, yo, maybe there's gonna be more cars, though, that come to the Asda. I might have to wait there. But it's looking very stiff, man. I don't even want to wait there. Yeah, people, so I've come to the conclusion the Manchester car scene is dry. It's dry. Yo, if I'm honest with you, there is no Manchester car scene. And that's wrong. Someone actually needs to have something in the Manchester scene going on. Like, and it doesn't even need to be a mad thing. It just needs to be civilized. Nah, but people, I've come to my conclusion, innit? The Manchester car scene is dead. That's it. It's literally that. The Manchester car scene. It's either there is no Manchester car scene or it's just dead. And yo, that's literally it. That's why when people are doing like car meets, people are going different cities and it doesn't make no sense. It's not made no sense until now. It's just clicked. Yo, people, if you got me on Instagram or even TikTok, you'll see what a man just got for the whip. So which means more power is coming. Go like, comment, share, subscribe, and I vow to bring the Manchester car scene back. Sir Colgate out. Bow.
Matthew put me on 2-6.